Hi there. I'm Sunita, and welcome to Global Trade Insights by Business Export Hub. Have you ever wondered if your products could reach buyers around the world? Or thought, I wish someone could show me step by step how to export successfully? Today, I'll take you on a simple step-by-step journey to start your own export business. From understanding your market to shipping your first products and building lasting relationships. And I promise it's easier than you think. If you want extra guides, checklists, or verified trade connections, visit www.bizexporthub.com or email me at bixexporthub@gmail.com. I'll share tips from these resources as we go along so you don't miss a thing. The first thing you need to understand is research and planning, the heart of every successful export journey. Imagine this: you have a product you're proud of. The first question is, who needs this product and where? Look at global demand, check competitors, and see what buyers are actively searching for. At the same time, peek into import regulations. Some countries have strict rules about quality, packaging, or certifications. Here's a tip from my own experience. Start small and test the waters. Send a few shipments first, see how buyers respond, then scale. Think of it like dipping your toes in a new pool. You get comfortable before you dive in. Once your research is solid, the next step is legal setup and documentation. I know paperwork can feel intimidating, but trust me, this is what separates dreamers from successful exporters. You'll need to register your company and secure your Importer-Exporter Code (IEC). Then prepare your commercial invoice, bill of lading, packing list, and certificate of origin. These aren't just papers, they're your passport to smooth shipments and trusted buyers. If you want a complete checklist, visit www.bizexporthub.com or email bixexporthub@gmail.com. I've made it simple so you can focus on growing your business rather than stressing over forms. Next, let's talk about logistics and payments. This is where many new exporters feel stuck, but it's simpler than you might think. Think of shipping as a journey. Your products are the heroes, and a reliable freight forwarder is their guide. Add insurance to protect them, and choose safe payment methods like advance payments or letters of credit. Keep records of everything. It's like leaving breadcrumbs to track your progress. At Business Export Hub, we also connect you with verified buyers and trusted logistics partners so you're never navigating this alone. For more details, visit www.bizexporthub.com or email me at bixexporthub@gmail.com. Now comes the most exciting part: marketing and growth. Your products are ready, your shipments are moving, but the story isn't over. This is where you turn first-time buyers into loyal partners. Build a professional online presence, list your products on trusted B2B portals, and attend trade fairs or virtual exhibitions. Every buyer is a relationship, not just a transaction. Collect feedback, improve your offerings, and slowly explore new markets. For more strategies and tips, visit www.bizexporthub.com or email bixexporthub@gmail.com. Before we wrap up, remember this: every successful exporter started right where you are today, curious, maybe a little nervous, but ready to take the first step. Thank you for spending this time with me on Global Trade Insights by Business Export Hub. Don't forget to visit www.bizexporthub.com or email bixexporthub@gmail.com for checklists, guides, and verified trade connections. I'll see you in the next episode where I'll reveal how to find verified buyers abroad, strategies that can change your business. Until then, keep dreaming, keep planning, and keep exporting. The world is waiting for your products, and I can't wait to see you succeed.